Hi, and welcome to SimplyLearnStuff. In this video, we will take at looking how we can extract the surname from column D by using some of the most common text functions we find in Excel. In column D, we have various surnames at various different lengths, and we can simply use the write function combined with the length and the find functions to be able to extract the surname only. To do so, we will type the write function and select the cell D2, and then we will add in the number of characters. And the first one is easily calculated as 4 characters, but we want to be able to make it dynamic. We will then use a combination of the length and the find function to be able to do so. In this case, we will have found the length of each data set within each cell in column D and have added that function in column M. We can simply select that information as it is required. Next, we can use the find function to find a unique character, in this case the space, in cell D2, and we can just negative that from the length amount. In this example, the length of 10 minus the find result of 6 will give us a number 4, which matches the length of the surname. We can use close bracket and spool downwards, and it will notice that each length minus the find of the unique character, which is the space, will give us the result required to be able to get the surname for each employee. I trust you enjoy this video, and remember to like and subscribe.